Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm super excited about today's video because I am going to be unboxing this box from my craft source. I actually have no idea what's inside, so I'm really excited to find out. My craft source was kind enough to send me this box, and I'm actually going to be working with my craft source here from here on out. I'm going to be able to provide special discounts and codes for you guys so you can save, and you're also supporting my channel in return, so it's a win-win. So they are basically a one-stop shop for all your crafting needs. They have so many types of vinyls, from StarCraft HD, Caesar Easy Weed, different types of HTVs and pattern vinyls. So cute, by the way, guys. I cannot wait to get my hands on some of those. And they also have glitter, epoxy resin, sublimation, bundles, foils. They also have crafting tools and just a ton of other things, y'all. They are seriously so amazing. So without further ado, we should get this box open. I am so excited and ready to see what is inside. And everything that I'm opening today in this box are things that you can purchase. But like I said, I have no idea what's inside. So let me get my scissors and we'll get this box open. They have such a pretty sticker on there with their logo and everything on it. Okay. I am already so excited. Wow. Okay, so when I first opened the box, I noticed these. So stinking cool. So it looks like it is a bunch of cups. So we have a ton of colors. Look at these, guys. They're like these Starbucks blank cups, you guys. So cool, and they come in different colors. Oh my gosh. If I can get it off. I put lotion on my hands and now my hands are slippery. So, okay, so we have a very pretty blue. It's like a pale blue. Orange, and you guys see on the side it says, like, it's just like the Starbucks cups, but you don't have the annoying copywritten Starbucks logo on it, so you can totally make this your own. So cute. Green, like a lime green, and pink. We have pink and blue. So cute, and they come with lids and straws here. I am so excited for this. There's all the straws. That is gonna be such a fun project, and these are seriously gonna sell so well because y'all know I like my blanks, and people love personalized anything. Mugs, cups, tumblers, so popular in the crafting communities. So I am super excited for this. And this is what it looks like with the straw and everything. Oh, I can tell these are gonna be so amazing. So excited for that. So I didn't know until afterwards, but these cups are actually color changing. How cool is that? That makes them even more cool. This was the mint blue cup, and it changes to a pinkish color with cold water or cold drinks. So that is really cool. And the more drink that's in there, the pinker it'll get. The next thing I see are some glitter samples, it looks like. So in here it has a little box. So cute. Oh man, I've always wanted to play with glitter, but honestly I have not had much experience with glitter, so I'm super excited to actually try these out. So we have one that's called Don't Be Coy. So cute. It's really pretty. It's very sparkly. I don't know if you can see it. One called Mermaid Snot. Love it. It's a very pretty, like, teal blue. And then we have one here called Pineapple Pizzazz. It's really pretty yellow glitter. So I know they have all of these glitters on their website. And it also came with this mold. I'm assuming this is for the resin. Super cool. And these glitters are so vibrant and so pretty. So I'm really excited to try these out and see what I can get into with these. Okay, so now we have something inside of here. Oh, it's already open. Y'all, I have been wanting one of these for so long. I really seriously have. Okay, I don't know if y'all have seen them, but they're like the nail polish holders that you put on your finger, and then when you're weeding your vinyl, you put the vinyl inside of here so your vinyl is not everywhere. I'm in desperate need of one of these, so I'm so excited about this. So you just put it on your finger, weed the vinyl, and it goes inside of this instead of everywhere else, because y'all know, if y'all have watched my videos, I have a problem with just sticking vinyl wherever it is, and it always ends up all over the place, all over my table, all over my clothes, all over my hair. So this should keep it together. So cute. Here's a little bit of an up close look at it. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Starcraft holographic rainbow vinyl, and it says it's a foil. It is so pretty. I don't even know if you guys can really see on the video how pretty it seriously is. It is so vibrant in person, and just it gives off like a rainbowy, metallic-y look. So I've always wanted to try foil like this, so I'm really excited to try this out. So pretty. I'll definitely try and get a closer look of everything when I'm done opening the box, but I'm really excited for that. Okay, so here we have a koozie. Let's see. So a little koozie for your drinks. It's a teal blue, really pretty, and nice quality too. It feels really well made, because you know sometimes you'll get these and they'll feel really cheap. This feels really well made. So that'll be fun for an HTV project. Oh, this one's really pretty. Okay, so it looks like we have another drink koozie. And this one is really pretty. It's a floral design. Another good HTV project. Okay, so now we're getting into some vinyls. Oh, there's more stuff in here. Let's see. So it comes with a bunch of the Starcraft HD sample vinyl. So cool. So I guess this is like a color chart or color sample thing, so you can kind of get an idea of all the colors. That'll be really handy to have, especially if you sell like at a craft fairs or anything like that, and you have somebody wanting to pick a color. This would be really handy to have. So here's the glossy samples, and here is the matte samples. Good question for you guys. Are you a glossy fan or a matte fan of vinyl? That's always a debate. All right. Oh, I see some pretty vinyl, you guys. So it says that this is printed pattern adhesive vinyl. So this is called Easter plaid. So stinking cute. I hope my ring light's not getting in the way of this, but it is a really pretty plaid vinyl. It has a lot of bright colors on it. Perfect for Easter and spring. This one is called Printed Pattern Adhesive 90s Pastel, which love it because I was born in the 90s. So pretty. I don't know if you guys are able to see that, but like I said, I'll give a close up. So cute. Here's another printed pattern called Ombre Rainbow. I really like this one. I could see that making some really pretty decals. Okay, so here is Starcraft stencil film. That will be a fun video to try out and do a wood sign. Here's our stencil vinyl. And here is Tape Technologies Opal. So this is very similar to all of the Opal holographic vinyls that you find. Feels really good quality. And next is the Caesar Easy Weed adhesive. This is used with foil. And then we have here a custom color only at my craft source. It's the Caesar Easy Weed Soft Mint. This color is so pretty. And then next we have Caesar Sparkle Midnight Black. Ooh, I really like this one. It's called Midnight Black. And then next we have Caesar, I always say Caesar wrong. I feel like I say it wrong. Well, Caesar Holographic Rainbows. This is another HTV vinyl. Really pretty vinyl. That would make such a pretty shirt. I love that. Y'all know I'm all about the bright colors. And then here's another Caesar called Twinkle Red. Very pretty. I'm loving these pattern vinyls, y'all. My craft source is full of pattern vinyls and they're always coming out with new things. So check out their pattern vinyl for sure, guys. Okay, so next, it looks like it is a bunch of StarCraft vinyl. And you know, if y'all been watching my videos, I've been wanting to try out the StarCraft vinyl. I have been hearing from a lot of people that they are better than Oracle. I have not gotten my hands on any yet, but now I do. So I'm really excited about that. From what I've heard, StarCraft weeds a lot easier than Oracle does. And I've heard the quality is just so much better. So I am very anxious to try this out. So it looks like we're gonna get a bunch of different colors. Let me see. Okay, so it looks like we have a pack of glossy and a pack of matte. So let's take a look at some of these colors that we have here. See, they sent me all of these colors, you guys. I am so excited to try them out. So on here, it tells us the colors we have. This is beige. And then we have black. These are all the glossy ones, y'all. Here is the blue. Here's another blue. This is called bright yellow. It's a very pretty yellow. And then we have brown. This one is burgundy. This one is clear, so just a regular clear vinyl. This is called cobalt blue, coral, cream. This is dark green. Here's dark red, forest green. This is regular green, gray, hot pink, ice blue, lavender, light green, light red, lilac, lime green, metallic copper, gold, rose gold, silver, mint green, navy, old gold, orange, pastel orange, bright yellow, pink, plum. This looks like the Tiffany blue, powder pink, purple, red, red orange, royal blue, sapphire blue, sky blue, swamp green, Tiffany blue, white. Wow, that is amazing. All of the colors are literally any color that you would ever need. So like I've heard, StarCraft and Oracle, I've heard that StarCraft is up there, you guys. So I am really excited to try it, and I'm going to be trying it for a video here really soon. So watch out for videos coming on testing the vinyl out and seeing just different projects we can do with them. And then the last thing in the box is all of our matte colors. So it's all of the same colors, and it says they have 49 unique 12 by 12 sheets. So that is full of different vinyls. And also included in the packs that I just showed you were the 3 newest colors, which were bright blue, turquoise, and pale blue. Very pretty. So here is an example of what the matte and the glossy look like next to each other. So this is the glossy. It's very shiny, definitely gives off like a reflection, and then the matte is more just kind of flat, and it's just all based on preference what you like, and based on different projects you do, you might choose the glossy over the matte. I've noticed for car decals, a lot of people like the glossy, and a lot of times for different projects and signs and things like that, a lot of people go for the matte, but it's totally personal preference. I'm excited to try out the matte because I've always done glossy vinyl. But now that I got my hands on some matte, I'll definitely be trying some of those out. Wow, I am seriously blown away at everything I got here today. And I'm so appreciative and thankful. The quality, the variety, the colors that we got here today, so amazing. And I'm excited to test all this stuff out for you guys and do some fun crafts and projects. So down below, I have a special affiliate link for you guys. If you click that affiliate link and then use my code that's under that affiliate link in the checkout, you're gonna save 5% every single time that you use that code. And on top of that, you can even use that on sale items. So if something's 30% off, you can use that code on top of that and get 35% off. So super cool. You're also supporting my channel and helping this channel to continue to bring you guys fun things like this to do. So I appreciate it. My craft source appreciates it. And shipping with my craft source is within 24 hours, which is super fast. Even when they had that huge snowstorm, they were in the office packing up orders, getting them out even during all that. They're so dedicated to their customers. And honestly, that is what makes me attracted to companies, is when you get that loyalty, that compassion, the customer service is what makes me buy with companies. And that is what you're gonna get with my craft source. So thank you to my craft source for sending me that box. And like I said, you guys, some seriously exciting things coming. So stay tuned for that. Can't wait to share it with y'all. And I will see you guys in the next video, which will be very soon. Bye.